Hey guys, this is Stacia with Yellow Canary Designs. Today we're going to do a fun little 3-piece puddle pour painting. So the colors that I'm using are all Artist Loft brand. There's Mars Black, Ultramarine, and Copper. The copper is metallic and really shiny, so that's going to be super fun. I mixed them with Floetrol and water. So my recipe is 5 parts Floetrol, 3 parts paint, and 2 parts water. As you can see, I'm just layering them here back and forth. Some of it's going off the canvas. That's totally fine. A lot more is going to go off the canvas when I start tilting it. This is really interesting because a lot of the blue disappeared within the layers, so you don't have too much blue, which is a little disappointing, but it worked out. So you can see the tilting here. I had to make sure I get all the edges. And even though I poured all of them the same way, they all turn out a little bit different. So that's what I like about these 3-piece puddle pours. And you can rotate some of them if you want. You can put them in whichever order you want that looks best, whatever lines up the best in the end. You want to make sure to go back after you tilt each one and get those corners. You can see that white corner there. Make sure you cover those with paint because that white will really stand out once they're dry. And here we have the finished result. I hope you guys liked it. Please like and subscribe and let me know what else you want to see.